From the Department of Justice, Secretary Jesus Crispin C. Remulla, not present. Prosecutor General Richard Anthony D. Fadolion, not present. Chief State Counsel Dennis Arvin L. Chan, not present. From the National Security Council, Director General Eduardo Año, not present. From the Philippine Air Force, Commanding General Arthur M. Cordora, PAF, not present. Colonel Joji Bravo, PAF, Commander Air Base Group, not present. Dr. Donald Palma, not present. Dr. Jonathan Rico, not present. Department of National Defense, Secretary Gilberto C. Teodoro Jr., not present. Philippine Center on Transnational Crime, Lieutenant General Anthony Alcantara, not present.
I was given to understand that General Alcantara had in fact confirmed his presence previously and thereafter retracted. Is that correct, Secretary?
Yes, at first they confirmed their attendance, confirmed his attendance then. Yesterday sent their regrets as well as National Security Advisor Eduardo Año. They first confirmed National Security Council's attendance, but
Yes, that's correct.
yesterday
It's a
they
shame. I
regret,
expected
they said
Secretary
their
Anyo to be
regrets.
here dahil sinabi niya na marami daw deklarasyon na hindi tama. Ay sabi ko, iwas tumo pagkakataon na ito. Ngunit mukhang wala siya.